Hello.
Hi, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Can you hear me now?
Little better.
Is it
Yeah.
okay?
Hi everyone.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Hi everyone. So, hello everyone. Welcome to Rendezvous with Aarti Tiwari, the organizer of Couture Runway Week and managing trustee Global Fashion Federation. Today is a fresh conversation with yet another fashion industry expert. To brief a little about her, a great pair of shoes should be creating an emotion, whether it is confidence, excitement, unpredictability, and above all, a strong feeling of individuality. With this, I would like to welcome Miss Swati Mehrotra, the versatile businesswoman and soft-hearted, most caring human being. Her name is so very famous that I don't need to
I am
introduce it
sorry.
much.
Thank you.
Of course, I don't need to introduce you a lot because you are already very well known. So, welcome, Swati.
Thank you so much, Aarti.
So, to start with, Swati, I would like to know what is and how did you uh, come into the business of footwear? You know, how did what instinct you got to come into this?
I think मैं बचपन से मोची बनना चाहती थी. Maybe that. I don't know. I always wanted to convert the people's personality into some form of art. And now, at an age when I was only in standard fifth, I had no idea what I really wanted to do, but I wanted to do something creative, wearable art or just painting art. I had no idea. So someday my father just told me एक आदमी की पहचान उसके जूते और रुमाल से होती है. अब रुमाल तो मैं बना नहीं सकती थी obviously.
Very,
So I think I
very
started observing people's footwear a lot, and nevertheless, it was not even at that point of time that I wanted to be a footwear designer. I always wanted to be a fashion designer, and मैं कपड़े बनाना चाहती थी. And I applied for NIFT also, but surprisingly, or maybe that was God's plan, I did not make it through. And I made through in FDDI in Noida, where I completed my footwear course. जब मैं FDDI फर्स्ट ईयर में भी गई थी तभी भी आई थिंक मेरे दिमाग में था वो यहाँ पे सिर्फ टाइम पास है, बरेली जैसे छोटे शहर से बाहर निकलने का मौका मिल गया, but I will still pursue NIFT. But I don't know what just hit into me, what some words of some teachers or something, and I got stuck to it. And I think it is all God's plan. We just have to believe in Him. That's about it.
honestly, FGDI still remembers you a lot. I am in touch with a lot of FGDI faculty members and students, one of which is Vibhuti Patania. You must be knowing her. She is one of
Yes,
my
of
team
course I
members in
know.
Couture also. Yeah,
Okay.
and she also talks a lot about you. So you are really famous amongst the FGDI people, of course.
I am happy, but I just want to become the inspiration for them that if I am able to do it, it is not a rocket science. Anyone can make it
You
big.
are.
It is just that, we think being a footwear designer, we are a small component and we do not pursue our dreams that big. So it is just the matter that you have to start believing in your own self. So I just want to set that example that if I am able to do it coming from a very small city with no financial backup, in the sense like I do not have a godfather in the industry. I mean, a lot of designers don't have it, but in the footwear, it is predominantly only for the exporters, only for the bigger manufacturers. It's a different industry altogether. So for there, I
Right.
think if someone can set up that benchmark and become an example, then nothing like it. I would love to support all the upcoming designers and everyone whoever is actually in this field now.
Amazing, amazing. That's your that's your main thing that attracts people towards you. Your modesty or all that is very important to be successful. Honestly. Okay, so who
I
are
I
your
don't know. You have to
customers,
always
Swati?
give
We
it
would
back.
like to know.
You always have to have a feeling of give it back. That's the only success mantra.
True, true. So, Swati, who are your customer base? Actually, whom you think is your customer base?
कहने
Whom
को
you
तो
provide
honestly
the
my
shoe to?
customer base is everybody who's wearing a shoe. Everybody who's wearing a footwear is my client. But honestly, people who really understand the fact that why you really need a customized footwear, where every specific detail. I'm not talking about the design aspect of it. I'm talking about the comfort, the things that you often ignore about your feet, how your arch is, what kind of skin you have, how sensitive you are to certain things. And sometimes obviously the clients, like the brides who really want to match their attire to their footwears and their jewelry and everything, bride and grooms is a good customer base for me. Then obviously people with foot deformities, as I just said, they are the ones who really would require this kind of footwears.
Okay. Swati, we have heard that you make shoes for specially abled people,
Yes.
pregnant ladies, and many other special kind of shoes. There is a difference in your creation of shoes. So, can you tell us a little more on that?
I also made shoes for diabetic feet. I mean, when you have diabetes, your foot sole, I mean, the bottom part of your feet tends to hurt a lot. So that is what I said. Customization, the customers for customized footwear are the people who understand and realize that they really have some issue in their feet, in their, the way they walk, etc. So we are making shoes for all these people as well. And they come with their doctor's recommendation, even for the polio patient and people who have one feet very small like a tiny baby, and one
Right, right.
feet. And aesthetically the footwear needs to look similar from the outside, and the inside, the functionality of the shoe also needs to be thought of. So we are making shoes for every feet, every pair of feet. That's what our main agenda is.
Correct, correct. So, if I would say to sum up the aesthetics in say 2, 3 words, what exactly would exactly it would be?
Some of
Your
the
the
aesthetics
total
mean,
shape.
I'm so sorry, you will have to just tell me, because I got a little diverted with this bad boy who really wants us to talk in Hindi.
चिकन सी से
His
बात चल
ID is
रही है.
bad boy. I'm sorry. He's not a bad boy. His ID is bad boy.
Yes, ID is bad boy. Yes, yes, yes. अच्छा, basically, what for bad boy, of course, I would like to say कि क्या वो 3 चीजें क्या हैं जो आपके प्रोडक्ट का एस्थेटिक लुक डिसाइड करती हैं.
I think comfort and comfort, then comes style. So first two needs to be comfort, and then comes the style, and what is in fashion right now, what trend would really match with the fashion and with the kind of body shape that you have. तो हमको हर चीज सोचनी पड़ती है. जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर फैशन में स्टिलेटोज हैं और एक बहुत फैट लड़की है, मैं उसको वो स्टिलेटोज नॉर्मली रिकमेंड कर दूंगी. सो आई हैव टू जस्ट ट्विस्ट इट, और मुझे ऐसा बनाना पड़ेगा जो उन दोनों के लिए, मतलब फैशन और उसके बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर के लिए परफेक्ट पेयर बने. इसलिए कंफर्ट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर.
Okay. All right. So next thing which I would like to ask you is, who was your inspiration? We have heard that you're a lot into social service also. So who was your inspiration to take you to that arena of life? You
I
have
think
started with a
I
footwear thing,
I
and now
don't
you've
think
gone
there
into
has
a lot of
to be.
social.
नो, आई नेवर गॉट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम एनीवन एज सच. लेकिन जैसे जो मेरी अपब्रिंगिंग रही है एक छोटे शहर में, आप जब किसी एक छोटी सिटी में होते हो, बड़े शहरों में आकर के तो शायद हम एक दूसरे को बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्टेड नहीं रह पाते हैं. बट उन सिटीज में एक दूसरे का पड़ोस में क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, ज्यादा शायद पता रहता है, और आज भी लोग इस डिफरेंस को फील करते होंगे. तो अपब्रिंगिंग में एक
Certainly.
डिफरेंस है. And I think and then reading about Mother Teresa, and मैं convent educated हूँ, तो convent education में क्या होता है कि you have lot of nuns who keep on giving you moral values and moral science. तो आप उन स्टोरीज को विजुलाइज करके बड़े होते हो, और आपको हमेशा वो कहीं ना कहीं एक इंसेप्शन और एक थॉट प्रोसेस छोड़
Surely.
जाती है. मॉरल साइंस एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है जो शायद आजकल स्कूल्स में नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा है, जो एक बहुत प्रॉब्लमैटिक चीज है.
Actually,
सो
it
आई
was there when we were in the convents. It is
यस
there in the convents
यस
very
एंड
much.
आई थिंक उस समय पब्लिक स्कूल्स में भी मॉरल साइंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट था, और मैंने तो 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक मॉरल साइंस पढ़ी है, और हमारा बकायदा मॉरल साइंस का एग्जाम भी होता था. सो
I
दोस्त
know.
आई थिंक
I know.
वो स्कूल से, अपनी फैमिली से, हमारे को याद है, हमको एक ब्रोशर मिलता था कि आपको अपनी छुट्टियों में हर दिन अपनी गुल्लक से या अपने जान पहचान से किसी से इतने इतने पैसे एक बच्चे के लिए इकट्ठे कर रहे हैं, जो सबसे ज्यादा पैसे इकट्ठे करेगा उसको एक अवार्ड मिलेगा. सो वो अवार्ड
Exactly.
एक हमारे लिए अचीवमेंट होता था एज अ स्मॉल किड. लेकिन while गोइंग टू दीज प्लेसेस, जब हम इन बच्चों को कुछ खाने को या खिलौने देते थे, तो जो एक हमको एक इंटरेक्शन इन लोगों से मिलता था, शायद वो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ इम्पैक्ट छोड़ जाता था. So not only
Actually.
underprivileged, but there are a lot of things when you open your eyes towards and become a little sensitive, you could see so many things that needs your attention in the world.
True, you're actually right. And I'm very impressed with your thoughts, and I'm sure people will also apply that in their regular life, because in this arena of pandemic, this thought is very, very important. Very important, honestly, I
I
would
think
say.
this thought is the only
So,
savior. That's what we feel now when we are going out on the streets and interacting with these people. तो ऐसा लगता है कि खाली humanity survive कर सकती है.
actually, and I think it's the Mother Nature who has given correction to everybody now. Get corrected, come on the right track.
True, true. Exactly.
Okay, I don't know if many people know, you had opened up a academy at Tihar Jail.
Yes.
So what was the idea behind it? That's a very, very different way of thinking. So what was the idea behind that?
Our academy is the initiation by Amjad Habib. He is the youngest son of Mr. Habib Ahmed, and he's a very close friend. He's a family to me. एंड ये उनका एक पुश था. उन्होंने मेरे को कुछ रियलाइजेशंस करवाए थे कि मुझे ऑनेस्टली पता हो स्वाति कि हर कोई क्या माँ के पेट से क्रिमिनल बन के पैदा होता है, एंड किसी से एक्सीडेंटली कोई क्राइम हो जाता है एंड उनके ऊपर एक छप्पा लग जाता है दैट दे हैव बीन इन प्रिजन, एंड उनको सोसाइटी वापस एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती. तो मे बी वी कुड हेल्प देम टू गेट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर स्किल, जिससे जब वो जेल से बाहर निकले तो अपना कुछ काम कर पाए. सो वो वहाँ पे हेयर स्टाइलिंग सिखाते हैं और हेयर कलरिंग सिखाते हैं, हेयर कटिंग सिखाते हैं, और मैं वहाँ पे जूते चप्पल बनाना सिखाती हूँ. तो किसी भी मतलब एक छोटे से अमाउंट से, मतलब जिस तरीके के शूज में उन्हें सिखाती हूँ, एक छोटे से अमाउंट से जो कि उनको कोई भी सपोर्ट कर सकता है, वो अपना एक छोटा सेटअप शुरू कर सकते हैं, या फिर इस स्किल सर्टिफिकेट को लेकर के ये किसी के यहाँ पे बाहर निकल के जॉब भी कर सकते हैं फॉर द पीपल जो इनको जेन्युइनली एक्सेप्ट भी करें. सो देर आर पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली हैविंग अ क्रिमिनल माइंड, जिनको दिमाग में चलता ही सिर्फ ये चीजें हैं. यू कैन डू मच अबाउट दैट, बट there are people
True.
who are circumstantial criminals. So we really need to think about everyone in the society. You can't just have everyone on the same page. You really need to understand that there are situations that makes them do certain crimes. So that was the
Exactly.
idea behind the Tihar Academy.
And I'm sure it's going on very well. Swati, there is a question for you from one of the viewers. Swati, since how long you are into footwear designing?
I am into footwear designing from past 12 years now. मैं 12 साल पुरानी मोची हो चुकी हूँ. So it's almost more than a decade old, yeah.
Okay. Actually, Swati, what is Walk India program? What is that?
I may sound a little weird to a lot of women when I really talk about Walk India, but Walk India was the initiative started by a lot of people in my group, which actually stands for equality. And we say equality does not mean कि एक जेंडर को ऊपर रखना है या कोई नीचे सप्रेस हुआ है empower करना है. We voice for human empowerment, not women empowerment, not men empowerment. Because I don't know, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत थॉट्स आते हैं. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा एक weird थॉट था कि आज हम women empowerment के लिए इतने सारे मुहिम चला रहे हैं, इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स शुरू कर दिए हैं, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि मेल सोसाइटी इतनी डोमिनेटेड हो जाए, then we will have to start the men empowerment
Men
movement again.
empowerment.
And there would be, this would be a vicious circle which will keep going on. Sometimes we would be empowering a women, sometimes about men, and there would be no stopping for this. So I thought, why not do human empowerment and make men and women both realize that the world is incomplete without each of them. If a woman is not there, a man is, waste. They will just be,
Yes,
over from this planet. And if a man is not there, a woman is
yes.
waste. So why can't we just be a support system for
It
each
has
other?
to be
So
balanced.
we did a marathon where the men were wearing heels and women were doing everything a man does. So you have to step into each other's shoe and understand how difficult each other's roles are and how important each other's roles are. So that is what the Walk India actually stands for.
Swati, there is a question from Siddharth Gupta. He is asking that like male models and female models have, are doing in fashion industry. They are getting opportunities. Is there an opportunity in footwear industry also for them?
For the male models,
For male and female, both models. For
of
models,
course,
basically.
yes. For both the models, there are amazing opportunities in the footwear industry as models as well. Yes, the way you walk and the way you present the product on the ramp and on the still shoots might differ because it is, covering a very small part of your body. But obviously, we need a lot of models and we do a lot of fashion shows as well.
Okay, now Vikas Chaturvedi has another question. What exactly, just a second, let me read it through. Okay, tell us about your footwear collection and the work you've done so far.
My footwear collection, you all can actually just see my 12 years of my hard work on the same Instagram. You can see each shoe is unique. हर जूता अपने आप से अलग है because we are just into customized footwear. We do not follow any retail concept. And whatever inspires me, I make a shoe out of it. As for example, the tires and the rubber inside the tire inspired me once I made a collection completely out of it. Sometime, the street on Japan, it is called Harajuku. That was my inspiration because I saw some weird people doing some weird stuff, wearing the safety pins in their noses or on their, dresses. Something very, out of the box that you might feel are against the rules, but they were the rule breakers. So I love that, and I made a collection out of it. So anything can inspire me to make the juta.
Okay. Kanchan Jangra has a question. What is the career in footwear design?
It's exactly the same how you have it in jewelry or garment designing. Footwear is a very important accessory, and without the right footwear, your entire product, the entire look that you want to create as a designer goes waste. So obviously, there are great opportunities in terms of starting up of your own studio if you really want to get into entrepreneurship. There are good opportunities in the export houses, and after China, India is the leader in exporting footwears to all across the world. So you can just imagine the opportunities are endless. You can create something new also. With young minds, I am very hopeful that you would come up with some new innovative ideas, and we would leave behind the world's greatest designing countries as well. So come up, join footwear industry, please.
So nice. Okay, you surely are an inspiration to many, right? We surely like to know how you felt when you received the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award. What you felt
I
actually?
think
That is an achievement.
I think Vivek is here, who is also the recipient of the same award, and he would also just understand who's asking me and telling me that he loves the concept of my footwear from the old garment. Thank you so much, and it is amazing to receive an award, and I'm sure he would also second me with the same thing because. And you get more responsibility on your shoulder when you receive an award. That this is not the stopping, you have to keep on justifying that now when you have received this acknowledgement, you have to be having that thing inside you that every time whatever you do in your life, you have to remember there was somebody who acknowledged your work, and you cannot let that down. So it's more responsibility. And before Dada Saheb, I was awarded with by the President of India as well as the women entrepreneur of the country. आई थिंक उसके बाद तो और ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आ चुकी थी, तो कहीं ना कहीं आई फील मैंने वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ठीक ठाक पूरी करी थी, इसलिए मैं दादा साहब तक पहुंच गई थी. सो अब उसके आगे क्या होना है वो
और
मुझे पता नहीं.
अब इसके आगे there is a very big journey actually,
Yes.
and honestly you're working on a very very right track. You're really walking on a very right track.
Thank you.
See, you are indeed an inspiration. See,
Thank you. Thank
for
you.
you, for people, you
Lovely.
are an inspiration.
Thank you.
So, what do you, would you like to say something about Tales by Swati? Like you
Saying
have a collection,
Tails is basically
Tales
for the
by Swati
masses.
Modo.
Yeah, that's for the masses, and that's like a low priced collection that we actually started off with. I am trying my hand in retail. I am not a very great person when it comes to doing mass production for retail. I love creating individualistic design. So I wanted the amalgamation of both the retail world and my design inquisitiveness to come for the masses also at a very affordable price. That's what Tails is about. So even the designs in Tails and the color combinations that you would see are little different than what you see in the regular market. And I would not have the retail concept of one design, three color, one design, four color. It will be one design, one color. Once made, then it will be next design. So it is like a twisted retail collection that we have really came out with.
But that makes it unique also, no?
Yes,
One
that does.
design, one color. That makes it very unique.
Yes.
Okay. So, which collection? Like you must be having so many collections. I went through your entire this thing, and you had a lot of collections. So, which collection is closest to your heart, and why?
I think there is a
Something
collection
which is
which is
really
made out of sustainable leather. When I say sustainable leather, these are the leather which are 99% chrome free, and when you throw a footwear away, it converts into manure. Only like some percentage of the footwear is left, and there are very few carbon footprints while you're making this collection. And I personally support sustainability a lot. I mean, I feel if one thing is made, it is not made only for a single use. There are multiple use of the products which are made in the market. So that sustainable collection is the closest to my heart because I love experimenting with new products and creating something new from the old stuff. So I think yes, that's what I would love the most.
honestly, sustainable fashion is very much in these days. People
That
are
that is
moving
the
there
need of
more
the
towards.
hour. It's the need of the hour, honestly, not about being in the fashion, but it needs to be a part of our daily lives now. Sustainability, not only the kind of products that we wear, but even what products we use in our kitchen, and how much less we can utilize our cars. The more we walk, the more we cycle. Do you see when we humans are not on the street, how beautiful Delhi is looking? I mean,
Oh my God, it's like
yes,
heaven.
we
Did you see that North Place
unnecessarily,
round circle? It looks
exactly,
beautiful.
it looks beautiful. And I'm not saying that we should not step out, we should always be in lockdown. No, but there has to be something where we are stopping ourselves, that moving out unnecessarily, burning the fuel unnecessarily, shopping unnecessarily, because just because we do not have to repeat a product in one of the parties, we keep on shopping. We do not just realize we can reuse the product in a little different way. So that kind of a control on self probably would help Mother Nature flourish forever.
And be safe from the next pandemic, of course.
True.
Okay, there is a question from the audience. If anyone wants to order the customized shoe, how long will it be? How long will it take to be ready and make it from your side?
If there is
How
no
long? What's the
lockdown,
duration?
if there is no lockdown, I will take only a week's time to make your product. But during the lockdown, I can't really comment like how long that is going to take. I'm so sorry, but yes, we usually
Right.
take a
Okay,
week
one
to
week.
10 days. Yeah, a week to 10 days, depending on what exactly is your requirement and how many trials are we really supposed to take for you. Because in one trial, you will never get the perfect fit of the shoe. You really have to walk in them, you really have to come up with your problems to us, and only then we make that perfect pair for you.
Swati, what are the greatest lessons that you have learned since you have come into fashion?
Always be humble.
Something that you
Always be
always be
humble.
humble.
That's it. That
That's
is
who
it.
you are already.
That's it. That's the only thing. I mean, you just have to make sure that when you come into this glamorous industry, there are people they follow you, they want to talk to you, they want a picture with you, and it keeps hitting you here. So, my brother was always scared of the fact that now when I'm into this industry, the thing should not hit on my head. I should be always
Attitude
grounded.
issues.
So I think, whatever my
Yes.
family has taught me has given me an impact somewhere in back of my mind, and I never want that success to just hit on my head. I always say I'm not successful. I am not successful. I have to do a lot and just stay humble. That's about it.
See, that's very important also. And the way you are taking it, I'm sure you are going to go a very long way, because only the people who are modest enough to understand where they are and they keep their foot on the ground, they are the one who rise the highest. Honestly, I
Inshallah.
do.
See, you are now giving me blessings, so these blessings are going to really keep adding the things for me.
Obviously, anytime, anytime. So, Ashan, tell me something, like since you designed your first shoe and today, after 12 years, what is the difference in the approach that you've got?
Every shoe, every design that I make is different from the one that I have made previous. So I can't say from the first shoe to today that what exactly is the difference. As a customized designer, har juta alag hai.
Okay, right. Acha, Vikas Chaturvedi has a question. Okay, now that is something which supports me. Swati, we wanted you as a celebrity designer in Couture Runway Week upcoming season.
For sure, I would post lockdown हम definitely मिलेंगे विकास कुछ ना कुछ इसको अच्छा workout करेंगे. For sure.
Sure, sure. Because shoes showcasing is the least. In the industry, shoes are least showcased.
True.
Every season has fashion, garments, this, that, 10,000 things, but shoes are not seen. So that also needs to be taken
True.
care of. I
True.
think we have another question from Mohsin. What were your sales? Oh God, it's fine. What were your sales in the first year? Just a second, I'm able to see it. Are you able to read it? The question from Mohsin. There is a question. Okay. What were your sales in the first year of your business? My
Oh, it
God,
was very bad.
good question.
Trust me. First year was very bad, and हर स्टार्टअप की तरह लोगों को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि कोई एक पैर जूता बना के अपना बिजनेस कैसे चला सकता है. और when I say one pair, I mean making one to one for the customers, etc. So it was very difficult to even survive. But yes, we sailed through, and at least the break even were met and the costs were recovered. I was not under the losses. By God's grace, अभी तक business loss में नहीं आया है. तो फर्स्ट ईयर में यू हैव टू जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आपको अपना फुट थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है एंड जस्ट बी लॉजिकल इन योर हेड विद वट एवर यू आर डूइंग. Just don't dream too high and achieve everything in the first year. So just because first year is a learning year for you. So it was a learning year for me too. I learned a lot, a lot. I met so many people, and till now I am learning. The learning should never stop till the end of your life. That is what I feel. But first year was the major learning year, like what you learn in your pre-nursery.
Correct. Very true. Very true. It's a learning phase, actually.
Yeah.
So, Swati, what is the advice which you will give to men and women while they are buying shoes for themselves? What is the important thing that they need to really keep in mind from your
I
point of
think
view? What is the right?
just walk in the footwear for some time before you are actually paying the heavy bill for it, and just be sure कि खाली उसके look से you are not getting impressed, because remember your feet is the main, the nave of your body. That's where your entire body is standing. If that's not comfortable, you will actually call for a lot of illness, lot of ailments. So just be a little sane before you are picking up that perfect shoe for yourself.
Swati, which is the design which is hardest to make, as in sneakers, shoes, stilettos, flats, boots? Which is
Moccasins.
the
The
toughest?
moccasins are the hardest shoe to make, and ये पूरा जूता इंडिया में, if I talk in Hindi now, इंडिया में टुरमुख के
Mhm.
नाम से जाना जाता था. और the upper to the sole is hand stitched, पूरा जूता पहले बना दिया जाता है लेदर से, उसके बाद उसके अंदर एक मोल्ड डालते हैं एंड सोल लगाते हैं। पूरा जूता ऐसा होता है कि आप उसको एक मुट्ठी में बंद कर सकते हो, इतना सॉफ्ट होता है,
ओह,
येट इतना रगड़ होता है कि आप उसको आराम से पहन सकते हो। बट वो एक आर्ट फॉर्म था जो हमारे देश से डिप्लीट हो चुका है, क्योंकि उन कारीगरों को उनकी ड्यू, whatever the money was supposed to be given to them was not
नहीं मिल
paid.
पाता होगा।
So they never encouraged their kids to come into this field, and that real moccasin has died. But yes, we do get the hush puppies and the other such, copy or the half moccasins in the market right now also. और अभी भी आपको कहीं अगर moccasins मिलेंगे तो वो बहुत expensive मिलेंगे, क्योंकि वो art form ही थोड़ा tough है. That is what my perception is. My perception might differ from someone else. Someone might find making of stilettos very difficult, but this is what my perception is.
Okay, all right. So, Swati, I think you are now also into events. So,
Yes.
what is NK Entertainment all about?
Thank you. Thanks to my brother in all crimes, and my partner in crimes. I got married to my childhood love of my college, and उनके भाई के रूप में मेरे को एक दहेज में उनका भाई मुझे मिला है, और वो मेरी ही तरह ड्रीमी है, एंड हम दोनों पागल सोल्स हैं. सो वी स्टार्टेड दिस इन दिस कंपनी कॉल्ड एनके एंटरटेनमेंट. दैट इज हिज नेम, नितिन कुमार, and this is his company, his thoughts, his ideas, and he always wanted to be in the media industry. So we started off with launching of some nice cafes in Delhi with very creative thoughts, like if we are launching a brew cafe, so how the fashion shows for brewery can happen. So we did a fashion show in that form. Then we did a lot of music videos, the line productions for movies, and right now also he's in his thought process coming up with a lot of virtual events as well. So this was something that we started off together for him. So that is what NK Entertainment is all about.
Nice, nice. You are very versatile kind of a person, I can see. Doing this also, doing this also, doing this also. So many things
No,
at the same go.
that's because I'm surrounded by everyone, और मुझे हर किसी की लाइफ के साथ में कुछ ना कुछ करना है. That's the only reason I'm not versatile.
Okay, you have a design academy as well. Swati
Yes,
Modo Design Academy, right?
correct.
How many students are there in that, and what exactly they are?
So Swati Mohan
What
Design
exactly
Academy
or
currently is running in Tihar Jail, and under the Design Academy itself, I am training a lot of students in a lot of colleges. I'm also training the MSME College of CFTI, which is Central Footwear and
oh, nice.
Training Institute. So I am a visiting faculty to a lot of colleges in terms of developing student as an entrepreneur. So this is not a solo run academy. This is in collaboration, and under the academy umbrella, we collaborate with a lot of colleges, etc., and we create a curriculum for them, and making the
Okay.
footwear entrepreneurship a little more easier for these
Easier
students.
for them. Better training for them, rather.
Yes.
Okay. So there is a question from the audience. How many inches of heel do you think a model is safe to wear? Because these days models are wearing like 6 inches, 8 inches. उनका तो बस चले तो they can climb up on 12 inches also. But what is the safety measures where they should wear? With
See,
above
honestly,
which
even at
they
10
should not
inches
go.
of heel is safe if you are having the adequate platform in the front. So आगे और पीछे से जब बैलेंस सही होगा, that your foot is not completely on the angle कि आपकी पूरी मसल पीछे पुल हो रही है, तब तक it is perfect for you. So just make sure that the balance of the shoe from the front to the heel is perfect. Then you can wear 2 inches to 10
And
inches.
what is that kind of a ratio? What is that ratio from front to back?
To that ratio, you will have to wear the footwear, and I have to really understand the arch, like कितना high arch है, कितना heel आप bear कर सकते हो, and only then I'll be able to determine the ratio. There is no perfect example because every feet is unique. Even your left and right feet are unique. Your left and right feet do not match to each other. So there is a slight
There's a
difference
difference.
in
There's a
left
slight
side
difference.
also. Yes. So I really
नॉर्मली
need to
क्योंकि एक पैर
understand.
का जूता हमेशा टाइट हो जाता है अगर आप ठीक से नहीं
Correct.
मेजर
Correct.
करके लेते हो
Correct.
तो
Correct.
so a lot of things we got to know from you, Swati. And anybody else, if there anybody wants to ask any other question, guys, please you can go on. Okay, Swati, tell me what is the kind of price range of your shoes? Starting from,
Because it is
is it like very
customized,
luxury or
because it's bespoke and customized, and these shoes are made for people, by people, as in they are handmade, and for the people who really require these shoes. They're very, democratic footwears. That's what I call my footwears. They are very democrat. So these price actually depends on what your budgets are. First you will give me your budget, we'll understand your foot problems, we'll try to squeeze the similar material. But if there are certain discrepancies, obviously it has to be from one-to-one interaction that we determine a price. Basically, we start at about 2,000, 1,500 rupees or so. And it's not very
okay,
expensive.
another question has come up from Gurpinder. When are we getting an opportunity to shoot your collection at Couture Runway Week? Oh my God. Everybody wants you there,
Now,
no?
Bharti, please tell me, when is the Couture Week happening now? Post lockdown?
Couture Week now, as post lockdown, as soon as we get the government directives to do a gathering, because Couture has a very huge gathering. So to allow that kind of gathering, once we get the government directives, we'll be announcing the show. We were
Done.
supposed to do it on May 30th and 31st, but it got postponed.
The minute it is announced, I will be the first person to actually come on board for sure, and then you can do the shoot.
Okay, I'm glad to be talking to a lady with great positivity. You already a long list of, awards, loads of hard work. You've already invested so much of yourself into the entire business of yours. I am very eager to know what is your vision, what is your mission about your own brand, about your own self.
Just keep living. Yeah, life is about living, and live each day as it comes. I mean, if I would say I have a vision right now, tomorrow it might differ, because my experiences of meeting people, interacting with them, will keep changing my thoughts. So I do not have that strict vision right now, because I am a very I'm not a person who would just visualize one thing and stick to that. So it is very important for a person to know themselves first. I'm not saying what I do is the the perfect example of anything, but this is how I am. I cannot be just stuck to one thing in life. So live as the day comes. That's what my mantra is. So let's see where life takes us.
Sure, sure. Life is gonna take you very high. That's my wishes for you.
Thank you
And
so
it's been very nice talking to you, Swati. Thanks for coming at Rendezvous.
Thank
It's
you.
like great pleasure.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
dear.
much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You were in conversation with Swati Mehrotra from brand Swati Modo. And it's been a great time. Thank you everyone for joining me. And very soon we'll catch you with another fashion expert. Take care till then. Bye bye.